What can you learn from doing 30 videos in 30 days? Actually, a lot. Once you collect the data on the back end, which YouTube is very good about, you can start to understand what your audience wants to watch. The problem that I find with most people that say just keep making videos is they don't have a lot of direction. So sometimes essentially they don't know where they're exactly going. They're just throwing stuff against the wall, which is fine. And I say, if you're going to do 30 videos in 30 days, maybe do 10 videos of this, 10 videos of that, and 10 videos of this. But make sure that they're all within the same niche, and then start to figure out which ones are performing better. With that being said, if you're trying to monetize your channel and you want to treat this like a business, for every time that you upload a video, especially if this is the beginning, if you're trying to upload a video, make sure that with your long form content that you add a short, maybe 2 shorts. And then what you can do is basically funnel them into your long form video, because when it comes to monetization, it's a little bit harder to do it with shorts. Now, with that being said, what have I learned in the past with building channels, doing 30 videos in 30 days? One of the most important things that people forget is that the content itself, the niche, is going to play such a huge role, as I said before. But you want to make sure that your average view duration is good. So that means in the back end, in your analytics, if they watch the video for a little bit and then they leave, YouTube is not going to show that video much more to many people if they're not watching the content. You want to make sure that they stick around for a while. I don't always necessarily say, subscribe in the beginning, or, sometimes people take 30 seconds just to get into the video. People get bored right away. They have a short attention span. Get right to the business of it. And then if you want to ask people to subscribe, I would do it towards the end, actually. So pay close attention to your average view duration. How long are they actually on the video for? You want them to stick around for a while, because then that means if they stick around long enough, they may be interested in other content. So that leads me to the next thing. I say follow 3 channels that are in your niche. Follow 3 channels that you like, that you're interested in. Let's say it's paper mache, just as an example. You find 3 of the biggest channels on YouTube that show a lot of paper mache type videos. What you do is you go to each page, each channel, and you find out what are their most popular videos. Now, you don't take their video and copy it. And what you do is you take the ideas that you're inspired by and create videos based upon things that people are already searching or like. And that's why those videos are performing well. So make sure that when you're creating videos, especially in the beginning, see what people are already interested in. Don't try to recreate, the wheel or reinvent the wheel. See what other channels are doing, find out their most popular videos, and create things based on that. That's really going to give you a lot of leverage. Also, when you upload your video, make sure it's just not some random file name. Make sure that the file name represents the video that you're showing, because for SEO purposes, this could help you out. Now, there's a lot of things to go over when it comes to your first 30 days. But again, as I said, average view duration, making sure that your file name is congruent with the video itself. People say thumbnails aren't important. I kind of go, sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. I think with some channels, when you see thumbnails that are congruent and you see them in the recommended part, you know right away whose channel it is. So to some degree, I say test out thumbnails. One doesn't work, maybe one works better than the other. I wouldn't discount the idea that thumbnails don't work anymore. So I would consider still using thumbnails and use something like Canva to create them. It's a very easy software to use, online software that you can create any kind of very cool, professional looking, I should say, thumbnail. Guys, if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you want to start a side hustle and print on demand, if you're looking to do reviews for Amazon based on products, I have all kinds of videos on my channel you can check out based on that. I thank you for watching, and I invite you to check out some other stuff that's on here. We'll see you soon.